so we are making a lobster ramen. It's one of my favorite ramen dishes. I've made this on Iron Chef, and it was Morimoto's one of his favorite dishes. So very excited to share this with you. So we're gonna use a live lobster, and we're just gonna blanch this really fast before we butcher it. Okay, so boiling water, lobster goes in, and we're gonna par cook this lobster about 6 minutes. So while the lobster is going, we're gonna make a quick chili oil, about half a cup. And then we're gonna add some Scallion Whites or Scallion Ends, some minced garlic, and add some chili flakes. I'm using Gochugaru, which is a Korean chili flake. This has heat, but it's also very sweet and has really nice flavor. Anchovy powder, little soy sauce, fish sauce. I'm gonna bring that together. All right, timer went off. It's been 6 minutes. So let's grab our lobster. It's gonna go straight into an ice bath. All right, so let's grab our chilled lobster. Cool. Okay, and now the fun part. Using my shears to butcher the lobster. I'm gonna grab the tail. We want to get the beautiful shape of the lobster tail meat. So the shears is the best tool to do that. We're just gonna cut into the lobster like so. And then the other side. And we will just gently take the tail meat out. Perfect shape of the lobster tail. We want to get the claw meat. So we're gonna just take it off its body. And then I love the shears because it also can crack the seafood. So this also acts as a cracker. So we can, like so, hear that? And that just makes it a lot easier to get the claw meat out in a perfect shape. Whole, like so, and then you will get that part out, and then the rest is very easy. My shears, I'm just gonna crack and cut along the shell. Look how nicely and perfectly the shears cut the lobster. Just grab it. There you go, there's one. There we go, our beautiful lobster meat. And then this, all the shells we're not gonna throw away, we're gonna make our lobster stock. So in that same pot of water that we use to blanch the lobster, we're gonna add all of this beautiful shell meat. And also to flavor our broth, I have some onions. They're just gonna go straight in. Kombu and Daikon. Daikon radish gives it a refreshing flavor, and it goes really well with the lobster. And then Scallion Ends. So that's gonna go for like 30 to 40 minutes. Also gonna add a little bit of chili flake to give it some heat. Now we're gonna finish the lobster. So add some butter. And add our lobster. We're essentially just warming the lobster, finishing the cook on it. Now, a separate pan, add a little bit of sesame oil, and then zucchini. This is zucchini that we julienne. It's always nice to have a little veg in the ramen. So a little salt, like sauté. Okay, and then now we're gonna strain the broth. Add some of that. Then get some broth. Just have a good taste. That's awesome. Wow. Fresh ramen noodles. Cold water rinse. Okay, beautiful noodles. Lobster. Scallion powder, and a little bit more of the chili oil, fresh chilies.